Hi everyone, it's me, Mr. Uden, and today I'm with Mr. Brown and Mr. Husnain, and together we're going to make some pizza.
I am Mr. Husnain. So these are the ingredients that we need for making the pizza. We need the pizza-based bread, some cheese, some peppers, mushrooms, onions, and tomato sauce.
So, you're going to need a knife, a spoon, a chopping board, and an oven.
But before we make the pizza, there's something very important that we need to do. What is it?
You're right, we need to wash our hands. It's very important to wash our hands before cooking.
Alright, first I want to prepare the vegetables. So we have peppers, an onion, and we have mushrooms. And all of them need to be chopped. But before I chop them, I need to wash the mushrooms first. If you're using a knife by yourself, make sure that you have your mum or dad there watching you, and be careful with your fingers, okay? Always go slowly and look at what you're doing. Alright, first I need to chop the onion. Be careful, when you cut an onion, sometimes it will make you cry. Now it's time to cut the peppers. Watch how I do this. So I cut off the sides, and the white part in the middle with the seeds, I leave that out because we don't want to eat that part. Now remember, these are the parts of the vegetables that we don't want to eat, but we can still use them for something. When I'm finished, I'm going to take them up to the roof of the school and put them in the flower bed, because these can help the vegetables to grow.
So, now what we need to do is cut the mushrooms. So, here we go.
Okay, so now we are going to put some tomato sauce on the pizza base with a spoon. Now we are going to add one of my favorite ingredients, cheese, okay? I guess most of you love to eat cheese.
If you add cheese on top of your pizza, it's going to melt in the oven and become very soft and golden. So now I'm going to sprinkle on some cheese. I like my pizza to be very cheesy.
My favourite ingredient on my pizza is cheese. So I'm going to add a lot.
Now that we've added tomato sauce and cheese, it's time to add the toppings. This is the time when you can add anything you want to your pizza. You can add meat, fish, vegetables, or even fruit. Today we have peppers, onions, and mushrooms. So now let's add the toppings to the pizza.
So, now we've added our pizza toppings, we can put them in the oven to cook. Now remember to keep watching your pizza in the oven to see if it's done.
And when it's time to take your pizza out of the oven, it's going to be very, very hot. So make sure you have mum or dad nearby to help you taking the pizza out. And when you take it out, you're going to need something to protect your hands. Okay, let's put them inside. Okay, so the pizzas have been in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and now I can see they're very golden brown and all the cheese has melted, so it's time to take them out. Let's have a look at our pizzas. Here is Mr. Brown's pizza. That looks beautiful. Okay everyone, we finished making pizzas, but we still have tomato sauce, mushrooms, peppers, and onions. What can we do with all this extra food? I don't want to throw it away. I know, we can make pasta.